Today I'm going to show you two planners. One is a whole year's planner that I've customized and handmade for myself, and another is a regular planner that I've got from Amazon. So the cover page, you can see I've stuck a number of quotes and inspirational quotations and a girl boss picture, of course, on the cover page with a Let's Goal 2020 written. So this is how the first page looks like. So the inside of the planner has the planner belongs to written. Here, of course, I'm going to write my name, and I believe by writing your name here, it makes you more accountable for the goals that you've written within the planner. So please don't skip this part. The next page here shows you the year at a glance on the right hand side, where you can see the whole year's calendar, and of course on the left hand side is the holiday list that will help me plan my holidays and my leaves better for this year, and a quote written which says, "Don't just call it a dream, call it a plan." Of course, I think this should be on the first page of this planner. And moving on, the next page contains a vision board. So the vision board basically is the complete goal for this whole year. For me, I've written self-improvement, career, finance and assets, family and friends, dance, and of course travel. So you can write down the goals here and have a glance at it whenever you want to, have a glance at your goals. Moving on is the highlights for the first 6 months and the last 6 months. I'll come back to this later. So the first page, you can see left hand side is the January calendar, and on the right hand side there are tags like the birthday, expenditure, goals for this month, important dates. Expenditure, I'll just be writing the number because I have a separate monetary planner, and an inspirational quotes which says, "Be stronger than your strongest excuse." So following which you have things that's gone right for you this month, what's new for this month that you've planned, the books that you've read or you are planning to read, and the habit tracker. So I'm planning to have a new habits that comes under my self-improvement goal, and a health tracker which has a day, exercise, sugar, sleep, steps, and healthy, whether you're healthy on that day or not, and of course a health inspiration quote. So this is how the health tracker looks like. Following which I have a February tab where I followed the same pattern or the format in this as well, but of course a new inspirational quote for this month. The second page also has the same tags and a health tracker. You can see that for all the months of this year, I've written down the same format and the tags. I've also marked certain dates where I'll have to renew my FD or pay my bills, so that I don't have to pay fine or spend extra on these fines. And yeah, so this August month also I've written down particular bank account or a policy renewal. So I've followed the same pattern throughout the entire planner for all the 12 months. And coming back to the highlights of the first 6 months and the last 6 months page. So what am I going to write there is whatever I've achieved in the first 6 months or I believe has gone right for me, which of course will inspire me to move on in a better way for the next 6 months of the year. So once it's done, I can also come back next December and see how good this year was for me. This is how the first planner or the whole year's planner that I've made looks like. The next one is a regular planner that I've bought for myself from Amazon. This has a very cute cover page with a unicorn on it. So the first page here has notes, important calls, emails, meals, exercise, performance, and of course it has today's schedule, to-do lists, and so on and so forth. So this planner contains about 180 pages, which will last for me for about 5 to 6 months, with a cute pink pouch on the last page where you can have your bills and your pen. So this is how the regular planner looks like. So guys, I hope you liked both these planners, and wishing you a very, very happy new year. Happy planning.